Expose people to the holistic side of yoga, and having this wellness energy surrounding them is also comforting when they're dancing and when they find us on the dance floor.
The Shala was serving as a hub for people to come connect, and throughout the festival, people could come, reset, change their mood a bit, elevate their spirit before they continue.
Sometimes dance music can be really heavy hitting, and sometimes people need to have a space where they can still open up to some sensitivity, which gives them the fuel to go back out and shake a leg. And I think that balance between the two is super innovative and really necessary.
And we had a lot of sessions with different variety, from movement, from conscious dance to a cacao ceremony. Also art therapy for people to express, because they're in a space of expression, whether through dance, through art, through movement. Creating this community feel that Soundscapes is all about.